Here I've got the Motorola Razr and I'm gonna show the top tricks of its camera. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and now let's take a look at these settings around. We start with this button here. Here we can manage the HDR mode. So HDR improves the details in the brightest and darkest areas of taking photo. I suggest you to turn it on. The camera also can use this automatically when the conditions around are good enough to use this. The next thing here is the flash. So here we can manage the flash, auto flash, turn flash on every time it takes a photo, and turn it off. I'm going to turn it off because I don't need it now. The next thing here is the camera timer. So here we can choose the timer and delay taking a picture on 3 and 10 seconds. I'm going to pick 3 seconds to show how it works. And as you can see, the picture was taken with 3 seconds delay. And also I'm going to turn it off now. The next thing here is the active photos. Here we can turn it on and turn it off, and also turn on auto active photos. So I'm going to turn it on to show how it works. And as you can see, here we go to the preview, and here in this button we can turn it on and see how it works. So it generates as a short clip, and we go back to the main camera. And the next thing here is the auto and manual settings. So here we can move to the Pro mode, as you can see, and turn back to the standard mode. And now I'm going to show you how to turn exposure up and down. As you can see, by the slider we can make our picture more bright and more dark as we need, and also use this slider to zoom. The next thing I want to show is here. So here we are in the settings more advanced. And the first thing here is that instant review. So here we can see our photo after taking it on the display in this device, which is external. So I'm gonna show you this. And as you can see, here we have the preview. And we go back to the settings. We can also choose camera cartoon, so we can show an animation to the subject to grab its attention. It works like that. So when we're taking a picture of someone and it detects the face, it shows us a short animation here to just make us smile. And the next thing here are obviously photo size and photo resolution. As you can see here, we can manage this like that and pick the preferred resolution also. And now we go down. We can do this to the primary camera and internal camera. And now I'm going to show the tap and where to capture. So we can just, as it said, tap and where to take a photo or start recording a video. So this is how it works. The picture was taken by just tapping this, and one more also. And we go down to the more advanced settings. Here we can manage the shooter sound, turn it on and off. Also, an important thing from the point of view of photographer, there are assistive grids, so here we can turn on the grid lines, and it's useful when you want to use the rule of third in photography. And the next thing here, leveler. This helps us to hold the phone straight when we want to make a straight picture, as you can see. And also we can add watermark with Motorola camera here, turn it on, as you can see, shot on Motorola Razr, and also add our name to photo. And as you can see, this is how it works. Shot on Motorola Razr by HardReset. And also the important thing which is useful is save location. So here we can turn on our location and save the location info in our picture. So greetings from Krakow. The important thing here is that you have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and also turn on the location tags here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.